Hey everyone, welcome back to where we'll dive deep into the tech that's shaping our future. If you're fed up with corporations and governments dictating what we see online, censoring your voice, or holding your data hostage, this is the video for you. Today, guys, we're talking about ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol, which is the world computer, the blockchain that's not just disrupting the game, it's rebuilding the entire internet from the ground up. By the end of this, you'll see why the ICP is exploding in adoption and why it's your ticket to true digital sovereignty. Stick around, guys, because it's going to be a massive one. Hit that like button, and if you're ready for freedom, let's jump into it. Imagine a world, guys, where your apps, your money, and even your AI aren't at the mercy of big tech giants. Right now, guys, as we speak, over 70% of the internet runs on centralized cloud services from just three companies: Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. These guys here, they can censor content, hike prices, or shut down your business completely whenever they want. But ICP is flipping the script. Developed by DFINITY Foundation, ICP is a decentralized world computer that lets apps, websites, and AI run directly on chain. No servers, no gatekeepers, just pure unstoppable freedom. And as of August 2025, it has processed over billions and billions of blocks, outpacing major blockchains combined by far. And its storage capacity just doubled to 2 TB, enabling massive decentralized apps to come on board, getting ready for the mass adoption of caffeine AI. This, guys, it's not hype. That's real world scalability, powering a new era. And if you're not investing in crypto or building in Web3 ICP, you're missing out. This isn't just an option, it's inevitable. So let's start with the basics. Escaping the clutches of centralized control. In today's Web2 world, if AWS decides, guy, your content violates their policies, poof, your site vanishes. But ICP eliminates that entirely. You know why? Because everything runs on chain via smart contracts called Canisters. They're tamper proof and hosted across a global network of independent nodes. No more begging for approvals or being feared of having to shut down. Developers are flocking to ICP because it offers jurisdictional neutrality, just like where it was founded in Switzerland, skip the pun in it, operating beyond any single country's law or geopolitical drama. Case in point. ICP's ecosystem fees have surged 100x just in August 2025 due to booming activity, with projects like multi-chain dexes and DeFi services thriving without the Web2 dependencies. Like ICP, for the market cap, it is making money left over fist in compared to Ethereum and any other alt. It's proven technology, guys, that's already hosting thousands of apps, from social networks to gaming platforms, all running seamlessly at web speed. Now let's talk about money, your money, traditional finance. It's a trap for banks, regulations, middlemen who can freeze your assets on a whim. Happened to the Canadian truckers. Remember during the pandemic? What happened? It's going to happen again sometime in the future. History always repeats itself. But ICP changes that by putting your wealth fully decentralized on chain, protected by advanced cryptography. Stake your ICP tokens in Neurons, and you're not just earning rewards, you're governing the network. Current staking yields hover around 8% APY, with dynamic voting rewards that's adjusted based on participation. And as of 2025, over millions of ICP are locked in governance, driving real community control. And when you adjust that for debasement and inflation, you're getting a real positive return staking when you're adjusting for debasement and inflation. So owning ICP, guys, it means owning a stake in self-governing economy. No more relying on institutions. Your tokens, you play by the rules. And with ICP's reverse gas model, users don't pay for the fees. The devs do. Make interactions free and frictionless. This is true financial independence on steroids. Censorship, guys, especially where I come from in Australia, where I was born. I don't live in Australia anymore, but censorship is the silent killer of free speech online. Platforms like Twitter or Facebook can delete your posts or ban you for wrongthink. And it's happened to me many times before, back on the prison island where I was born. And on ICP, once deployed, Content is permanent and uncensorable thanks to its DAO governance model. Communities decide their rules via transparent votes and no shady algorithms to play funny games. And real world examples. Look, we've got projects like Fleek that use ICP for decentralized web hosting, this resisting takedowns that plague centralized systems. While some critics worry about majority votes removing malicious apps, but the protocol's design ensures core censorship resistance and no single entity can override the chain. That's fundamental. So, guys, this makes ICP the go-to for journalists, activists, and anyone fighting for truth in the world of controlled narratives. It's not just tech, it's a shield for independent voices globally. Your voice cannot be censored. Because you know why, guys? AI is the future. 2026 is going to start the mass adoption phase of that, but right now it's locked behind corporate walls. Companies like OpenAI decide what you access, what it learns, and how it's monetized. But ICP flips this by running AI as smart contracts, fully on chain, transparent, and community owned. With features like chain fusion, ICP integrates with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, enabling AI agents that are truly autonomous, safe, scalable, and verifiable. For example, Eliza agents on ICP handles tasks like facial recognition or ZKVM power models, all without centralized servers. This is massive because this is where agents will run on ICP and they'll go through the mass adoption phase running on the world computer. No other solution is safe and secure to do this. And in 2025, ICP's on-chain AI is exploding, with developers building tamper-proof models that answer to users, not shareholders. This is open source intelligence for the people. Think decentralized ChatGPT, but truly free. So why choose ICP? Because it shatters big tech monopoly, empowers you to own your data, wealth, and identity, ensures your voice and my voice can't be silenced, and keeps AI as a tool for humanity. And also keeping that tool of AI safe, secure, is the fundamental reason why ICP and AI are the perfect form of adoption. Because we need safeguarding AI, otherwise AI, as humans, we're going to lose complete control of it. And we need new decentralized computer like ICP to run it safely and securely. This is inevitable once we start going through the mass adoption phase in AI, which starts next year. But that mass adoption phase, it's going to super AGI, it's going to escalate. And we'll see it through the years. Just remember this video, you're going to see it in the years to come. Because adoption is skyrocketing and it's going to continue for years to come. It's going to go parabolic. And ICP's ecosystem now, guys, as we're talking, includes everything from RWAs, reward assets, to gaming, with usage metrics absolutely soaring. As developers realize, it's the only blockchain that brings everything fully decentralized on chain. It's the unicorn. And as Dominic Williams, ICP's founder, says, it's evolving the internet into self-writing powerhouse. This isn't just about apps. It's about mass producing DAOs or decentralized autonomous organizations at scale, proving industries can ditch intermediaries entirely. And this is where we're going to have individual billionaires running their own companies individually. You know, even the founder of Binance, when he's talking about Powell, was talking about this. And you know where this is going to happen on? The world computer. Mark my words, this is going to happen on the world computer. When I stack ICP daily, guys, I'm not chasing pumps. I'm investing in freedom, sovereignty, and the future of my family, and an internet that belongs to us all. Me, you, your family, your friends. ICP, guys, is laying the foundation. It has laid the foundation for a multi-chain, AI-native, community-owned digital economy. If this fires you up, smash that like button, share and subscribe for more crypto deep dives, and drop a comment. ICP for freedom. Below, are you thinking of buying? Do your own research. Please do your own research. Don't sleep on it because it's time to join the revolution. Spread the word, share the video. Let's try to build this community. Thanks for watching. Let's build a freer web together, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.